Are you facing the problem of Messenger notification sounds not working or low Messenger notification sound issues after the iOS 17 update? If your answer is yes, no worries. Here's a quick and easy guide on how to fix the notification sound not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, turn off these quick settings. Swipe down and ensure that you've turned off the Do Not Disturb mode and silent mode. And also, check the slider if it's turned on to the ring. After that, try this easy solution below. Solution 1. Enable the Messenger sound option. Open Settings, tap on Notification. Scroll down, find the Messenger app, tap on it, and make sure the sound option is turned on. Solution 2. Enable the Messenger to all notification. Open Settings, tap on Notification, scroll down, find the Messenger app, tap on it, scroll down, tap on Messenger notification settings, and check and turn on all options. Solution 3. Enable notification on the Messenger app. Open Messenger app. Tap on the 3 lines at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon. Now tap on Notification and Sound, and ensure that you've toggled the Do Not Disturb mode. Then tap on Text Tone and select any kind of tone and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Solution 4. Reinstall the Messenger app. Press and hold the Messenger app until the Remove App option is shown. Now tap on the Remove App option. After that, tap on Delete App and tap on Delete. Your app will be deleted. And now reinstall the app from the App Store. Solution 5. Restart your iPhone. After all, you can restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can often fix minor software glitches. This is the way you can solve the Messenger notification sound not working problem on your iPhone. If you have any kind of questions, then don't forget to write them down in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.